I am Ajay Kumar Singh, TC Science from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, FCI Gorakhpur. Today I'll take chapter 2, acids, bases and salts. Students, you already have studied in earlier classes that acids are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red, and bases are bitter in taste and change the color of red litmus to blue litmus. Since all the acids are not sour, there are some chemical substances which were later were found to be sour but they were not acids, and similarly in the same way some substances were found to be bitter but they were not bases. So that's why later some scientists defined acids and bases on different aspects. So we'll take the definitions of acids and bases according to the Arrhenius. Before coming to that definition, you've already studied some natural indicators like litmus and turmeric also in the previous classes. So we'll basically these indicators they tell that chemicals are acids or bases. So now coming to the definition of acids given by Arrhenius, as I've already told you that acids, all the acids are not sour in taste. So we define acids as the chemical substances that produce hydronium ion in their aqueous solution. The substances simply which give H plus ions, hydronium ions in their aqueous solution, are defined as acids, are called acids. For example, you can see through the equation HCl in aqueous solution, this gives H plus and Cl minus ion. So HCl is acid because it is giving H plus ions in the aqueous solution. Some examples of acids are H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HCl that is hydrochloric acid, and HNO3 that is nitric acid. In the same way, Arrhenius defined bases as the chemical substances that produce hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus ion in their aqueous solution. So those substances are called bases. We can see that NaOH when dissolved in water, with water, or we can say that in aqueous solution, that produces Na plus ion plus OH minus ion. OH minus ion, because it is giving OH minus ion, so bases, this NaOH can be categorized as bases because it is giving OH minus ions. Some examples of bases are NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, and COH2, that is calcium hydroxide.